Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Tivernox magnetic solar wireless backup camera with 28 hours rechargeable battery. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 1-minute wireless setup, no more cables. The Tivernox wireless backup camera with magnetic and 5-watt solar panel installs in 60 seconds with prepared, plug-and-play ease. Its base has 6 and 5/2 magnets for strong attachment to any metal surface, no drilling or paint damage. Using 2.4 GHz frequency hopping wireless, it needs no Wi-Fi or wiring. The monitor includes a 360 degrees adjustable mount for your ideal viewing angle. Clear vision for safe driving. This wireless backup camera features a 150 degrees wide-angle multi-coated lens, f2.0, 2-megapixel CMOS sensor, and auto 940nm infrared night vision for clear views day or night. An enhanced antenna provides stable, lag-free signals up to 42 feet within vehicles, suitable for trucks, pickup, car, camper, small RV, and trailer. Long-lasting power, constant protection, ultra 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery with optimized power use runs up to 28 hours per charge, recharging in 5 hours via duct 5V/2 amp adapter. The 5-watt solar panel boosts battery on sunny days. The camera auto sleeps when the monitor is off, no need to manually turn off. Saving power for long trips. Clear display for peace of mind. The monitor has a 5-inch 1080p HD IPS LCD screen with USB-C and cigarette lighter adapters for flexible charging. It offers photo capture and DVR loop recording to document drives or scenery. A micro SD card is pre-installed, expandable to 128 GB. The built-in 2000 mAh battery lets you detach it to adjust camera angles or guidelines. Note: keep the monitor plugged in while driving to maintain battery life that ensure continuous protection for your journey. Parking aids and mirror display. Set adjustable reserving guidelines on the monitor, adjustable in height and width for parking help. Adjust monitor brightness and display modes. Switch to mirror mode for a rear view-like perspective. You could customizable display mode that fits your habits. Durable and weather-ready. This magnetic wireless backup camera is IP69 waterproof and works from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It stays secure across the US with no demagnetization. For camping, place it anywhere to monitor blind spots from your RV, offering ongoing protection. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.